Welcome to Mind Mechanics Lab, where we decode the most fascinating stories from history, science, and the world around us. Today's discovery will change how you see things. Let's dive in. Today, we're diving into what seems like a grand tale. The Aztec Empire. Dark secrets of the City of Gold. But what if the most profound business lessons aren't found in ancient empires, but in the very words we use to describe them? What if the real dark secrets are hidden in plain sight, not beneath pyramids, but in forgotten films, overlooked urban dynamics, and the misunderstood nature of gold itself? Consider the 1923 American silent feature drama film, simply titled Dark Secrets. Starring Dorothy Dalton, this movie is a piece of cinematic history that is, quite literally, lost. Its survival is unknown, suggesting it's a lost film. Imagine a valuable asset, a creative endeavor, simply vanishing from existence. This isn't just about old movies. It's a powerful metaphor for the hidden vulnerabilities and overlooked opportunities in our businesses today. What crucial intellectual property, what vital institutional knowledge, what innovative ideas are we letting slip into obscurity, effectively becoming lost films in our own organizations? The story of Dark Secrets, a film potentially gone forever, sets a crucial stage for understanding value. When something is lost, its potential impact and lessons are also lost. Now let's consider the City of Gold. What is a city really? Our research shows that a city is a human settlement of substantial size, yet there's no universally agreed definition. Population criteria vary wildly, from 500 in some U.S. states to 50,000 houses for a UN-endorsed metric. This ambiguity isn't just academic. It dictates how we understand markets, logistics, and human behavior. Similarly, gold isn't just a shiny metal. It's a chemical element. AU, atomic number 79, a noble metal. Its value transcends its monetary use, playing roles in industry, technology, and even medicine. The context of these terms, lost films, fluid city definitions, the elemental properties of gold, reveals that what we think we know often has deeper, more complex layers. Recognizing these layers is the first step toward unlocking profound business insights. The core idea here is that true value and the dark secrets of business success often lie hidden beneath superficial appearances or conventional wisdom. We often search for grand, complex solutions when the answers are embedded in fundamental definitions and overlooked details. Think about it. A film titled Dark Secrets is itself a dark secret because it's lost. A city is often defined by administrative boundaries and non-agricultural tasks, serving as administrative, commercial, religious, and cultural hubs. It's not just a collection of buildings. It's a functional system fostering interaction and efficiency. And gold? It's not just jewelry or an investment. It's the most malleable metal, resistant to most acids, a good conductor of heat and electricity, critical for corrosion-resistant electrical connectors in computerized devices. The real lesson is to look beyond the obvious. Don't just see a film, a city, or a metal. Understand their underlying mechanics, their hidden attributes, and their broader implications. This deeper understanding is where competitive advantage is truly forged. Let's ground this in concrete evidence. First, the film Dark Secrets from 1923, starring Dorothy Dalton. The fact that its survival is unknown serves as a stark reminder of lost assets. This isn't just an anecdote. It's a historical data point of a vanished creative work. Second, cities. Over half the world population now lives in cities, a profound shift. This density facilitates interaction and efficiency, but also concentrates pollution and stresses water supplies. The international community has prioritized investment in sustainable cities through Sustainable Development Goal 11, acknowledging their global impact. Third, gold. A total of around 296 tons of gold exist above ground. Its consumption is precisely divided: 50% in jewelry, 40% in investments, and 10% in industry. Its density of 19.3 GCM3 is almost identical to tungsten at 19.25 GCCM3, a fact notoriously exploited in counterfeiting. These aren't vague concepts. These are measurable facts and statistics that demonstrate the multifaceted nature of value, density, and tangible assets. Digging deeper, the psychology behind these elements is fascinating. The lost film of Dark Secrets taps into our loss aversion and the mystique of the unknown. We often value something more once it's gone or unavailable. In business, this translates to the psychological impact of proprietary information, unique talent, or even a brand's exclusive history. For cities, the psychological draw of density fosters collaboration and innovation. The presence of a literate elite and professional administrators in cities, as noted in our research, creates hubs of specialized knowledge and structured governance, driving economic and social progress. This concentration of minds is a powerful psychological accelerant for growth. As for gold, its rarity, 30 times more common than platinum, but still rare, and its resistance to most acids, the acid test, create a perception of enduring value and purity. The psychological trust in gold's stability has historically underpinned monetary policies, and even today, its golden hue, a result of relativistic quantum chemistry, adds to its unique allure. Understanding these psychological underpinnings is crucial for strategic decision-making. So how does this show up in the real world of business? The lesson from Dark Secrets, the lost film, is a potent reminder for companies to safeguard their digital assets, institutional knowledge, and intellectual property. Data loss, or the inability to retrieve critical information, is a modern-day lost film that can cripple an organization. For the city, the implications are enormous. Businesses strategically choose urban locations for access to dense markets, specialized talent pools, and efficient distribution networks. The concept of compact cities is a crucial element in fighting climate change, impacting sustainable development and influencing corporate social responsibility. And gold? Beyond its traditional investment role, its industrial applications are skyrocketing. Its use in corrosion-resistant electrical connectors in all types of computerized devices is a prime example. Businesses leveraging gold's unique properties or other rare elements for high-tech manufacturing are tapping into a sophisticated value chain far beyond its aesthetic appeal or investment edge. However, like any powerful concept, these ideas come with nuances and complexities. The lost status of Dark Secrets highlights the challenge of definitive absence. Is it truly gone or merely undiscovered? This mirrors the constant uncertainty in business about market shifts or emerging technologies. For the city, the lack of a universal definition creates policy and data inconsistencies. The UK awards city status by the Crown, leading to particularly small cities like St. David's with a population of only 1,751. A stark contrast to the UN's 50,000 plus metric. These varying definitions impact urban planning and business strategy. And gold, while precious, isn't without its challenges. Its density being almost identical to tungsten has led to counterfeiting, testing our ability to verify authenticity. The existence of various colored gold alloys, rose, white, green, blue, purple, made by adding different metals, shows its versatility, but also reminds us that perceived value can be manipulated or altered. True understanding requires acknowledging these layers of complexity. So what's your actionable takeaway from these dark secrets of the City of Gold? First, audit for lost films in your own business. What valuable data, processes, or knowledge are slowly fading into obscurity? Actively preserve and leverage your unique assets. Second, understand the city dynamics that impact your operations. Whether you're in an urban center or serving one, recognize the profound consequences of density, efficiency, and resource strain. Adapt your strategies to both harness urban benefits and mitigate its challenges, aligning with sustainable development goals. Third, challenge your assumptions about gold or any core resource or asset. Look beyond its surface-level value or conventional use. Explore its fundamental properties, its diverse industrial applications, and its psychological power. Be vigilant against counterfeits of value and understand the full spectrum of its potential. Don't just accept the title. Uncover the true mechanics at play. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this story, hit that subscribe button. New discoveries every Tuesday and Friday. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring.